If you want to know how to put on the Breg Cube pads, you came to the right spot. We're going to show you how to do it step by step, fast and easy. Hi, it's Steve from My Cold Therapy, where we help people get back to living. If you're new here, make sure you click that subscribe button and all the links to everything we mentioned in the video, where you can find linked in the description box below. Let's jump right into it. Cold therapy is an awesome way to help relieve your pain and swelling after surgery, injury, or just a hard day of being a weekend warrior. So how do you properly use a cold therapy device? Well, I'm going to show you the proper way how to do this end to end. And once we're done, I'm going to show you the #1 trick to make your cold therapy experience easier. All right, how do we do this? Michelle, take us through the steps of the application of the Breg Cube pads.
The first thing we need to do is make sure that the pad and the part number are correct. You would do this by looking at the front right corner of the pad where the part number will be listed on the white label. Notice this is a sealed bag, and once the sealed bag has been opened, it cannot be returned. You will be getting a flyer with your pad that shows the different connectors. The Cube and Kodiak systems have different connectors. So please be sure to make sure that you order the correct pad. The other item you're going to get is a skin warning flyer. You never want to put the cold pad directly on your skin, as it could cause some damage or some frostbite. And the universal protocol for cold therapy is 20 minutes on, 20 minutes off. Also, please make sure to check with your doctor for any other instructions while you're using the cold therapy device, just to be on the safe side. To protect your skin, we sell sterile pads for each cold therapy pad on our website. You can also use a thin towel or a t-shirt, but please don't put the pad directly on your skin. They come in a sealed package, and this is how you apply them. First, you're going to open the sealed package and remove the dressing. You're going to open the dressing up, and you're going to see tabs on here. Go ahead and remove those tabs. Once you do that, you're ready to place the dressing onto the pad. Once you've got it securely in place, you're ready to apply it to your body part. Once you've done that, you're ready to put it on the patient. The pads are going to come with straps. The large knee pad itself comes with 2 straps. One is going to come down around the bottom and attach to the other side. The top one does the same thing. And these straps are adjustable, so you can loosen them or tighten them to get them as comfortable as you need them to be. Now, as far as the hose, it can be up or down depending on how you have the pad positioned and depending on what's more comfortable for you. Now we're ready to connect the hose from the cooler to the hose on the pad. Before you connect it, you're going to want to push down these 2 metal tabs. After that, hook them together, and you're going to hear them snap in place, which lets you know that they're secure. Once you've done that, you're going to take your power cord, and it's going to plug into the back of your cooler, and of course this part plugs into the wall. As you can see, we have the cooler sitting up on a table so that it's somewhat level with the area that we're treating. That is optimal. However, you can set it down on the floor or a different area, but it is optimal to keep it somewhat level with the area that you're treating.
Great job, Michelle, in showing us how to do that. As I mentioned earlier in the video, I'm going to show you our #1 trick to help make things easier for you. We have freeze bags that you can use in the cooler, and they come in packs of 12. You place 3 in the cooler and the rest in the fridge, and then you just keep rotating the bags. This way, especially if you're alone, you don't have to keep chasing after ice, and your refrigerator will have a really hard time keeping up anyway. Now that you know how to use your cold therapy machine, let me know in the comment section below if you found this video helpful, and do give us a like, and also don't forget to hit that subscribe button. Thanks for watching, and let's get back to living.